Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE AXON 20 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to find the build number, which is, as you can see right here, and it may be quite confusing, but all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Be aware that if you've got the screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm this step. And now we can go back. Right now we have to actually find the developer options because they will appear somewhere in those options. As you can see, it is not under the About Phone, so we have to find it. Let's check maybe the system. And as you can see, at the very bottom we've got the developer options, and after entering you can see that you've got plenty of advanced settings which you can customize. So for example, you can decide if you want to see some notifications in bubbles. Here you can also enable the background check. You can enter the display cutout, show view updates, show visual feedback for tabs. Here you've got the networking options, so you've got the Bluetooth here, the USB, the Wi-Fi, and so a lot of options. And in order to turn on the option, basically it works the same just like in general settings. So just tap on the switcher if you've got one and it will be immediately applied. If you do not have the switcher, you have to simply enter the section to open more options. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on the switcher right here at the top. And most of the options will be inactive, and usually the developer options should disappear from the list, from the system, and as you can see, they are not visible. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the developer options in your ZTE AXON 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.